Hello South Africa. It is Tuesday, May 10, 2022 and here is news in a minute. These 5 areas of Cape Town are getting more CCTV cameras. The City of Cape Town has confirmed it will be rolling out more CCTV cameras in the coming months, as it looks to stamp out high crime rates in certain communities. The Safety and Security Portfolio has now approved of the installations. 5 priority areas have been selected by city officials, based on incident statistics from EMS and SAPS. Installers will also have to consider where exactly these cameras will be placed, in order to maximize their reach and avoid acts of vandalism. The areas set for a beefed-up CCTV network are as follows: Delft, Kraaifontein, Nyanga, Fulini and Mitchells Plain. Portfolio Committee Chairperson, Mzwet Nkavish, has explained the rationale behind this move. He says that the City of Cape Town is learning from international best practice in order to extend its well-established CCTV coverage. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.